am Labatul Mati Zubairi from India. Today, I want to take you to a world that all of us not just want, but deserve. You see these two friends talking? Let's go talk to them.
Hello, I'm Zakira and she's Ashmira. I'm taking some guidance from her as she's my mentor.
And she's preparing for an entrance exam.
She is from Bhutan and she is from India. This is what we mean by promoting peace in South Asia by youth, where ideas are shared, united we grow, break the barriers of boundaries. When the problem we face together are solved, because the liability of one part of the land can be solved by the asset of another. You see this green land behind me? This was not the same a few years back. Sri Lankan couple came on an international tour to India. They noticed this and collaborated with Sankalptaru Foundation in India, then introduced the idea of Mind Garden Sri Lanka for jungle reforestation. Just the facility to travel freely abroad without any conflict and discrimination, just through communication, this land could breathe again. Now, let's meet Rizwana from Maldives. This young lady was not the same a few years back. In the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, she lost her everything, her parents, her house, her school, everything. But then she got connected to the Mental Health Awareness Foundation in Maldives that connected her to the very famous Indian psychiatrist Vindhya Undarti, and the treatment was funded through the Universal Foundation. The right of Rizwana to smile again was granted because we believed that her mental health mattered without judgment, without red tapeism, and without boundaries. Excuse me. Assalamu alaikum, Inshia.
Walaikum Assalam. You know, I had the lecturer from National University of Science and Technology, Islamabad in our Kabul University, and I got the scholarship from the SDF, the SARC Development Fund, to pursue my data science masters in Islamabad.
This was Inshia from Afghanistan going to study in Pakistan to pursue her master's degree. SARC, that hosts 8 of the South Asian countries, covers 30% of the world population. 20 to 25% are youth, that is 15 to 24 aged. Youth is important because we have the ability to take risk. We have the ability to accept the courage to reject. To compromise is not in our bloodstream. To promote peace, to reduce poverty, are the discussions of centuries. We have documents, we have summits, we have platforms, but now is action time. The SARC regional framework, and on the grassroots level, empowering rural communities reaching the unreached. The world doesn't always ask for something new. Sometimes it just asks us to nourish and strengthen what already exists. बेदार हो जाए नौजवान लहू, इस रूहे ज़मीन का हर एक ज़र्रा तेरी गुहार लगाता है. Thank you very much. This is Labatul Mati Zubairi signing off. All the very best.